So good morning students once again. So today we are here again with the mathematics, relations and functions. Three sessions we did over here, relations and its exercise, functions. Now we are here with the practice or the exercise of functions. Before that, little bit revision. Last session we studied about function. Function is a particular type of relation where each member of the domain have one and only one image at codomain. Such type of relations are called a function. That functions can be divided into different types according to the mapping, according to the development of imaging, that is called a mapping. We can divide the function into different types: one function, injective, onto function, surjective, one onto, that is bijective, then many one function, like that. So many functions we studied, what is its difference, how we can prove the function is bijective or not. If it is bijective, it must be injective and surjective, that also we studied over here. Now today we are going ahead with certain examples. Shall we see the first question? Okay, good. First question of your chapter, according to your exercise number 1.2. I shall read the question. Show that the function of R star to R star. Function of R star, function of R star to R star. R star, that is, of course it is real number, but one star is also here. That is why it may have certain definitions that we will see now. Defined, this function is defined like this: f of x is equal to 1 by x. F of x is equal to 1 by x. You have to show that it is 1 or onto, where R star is the set of non-real number. R star, again we are, question is defining this. R star is equal to set of real number excluding 0. So we can write this is R minus set 0, excluding 0, set of real number excluding 0. And the function defines f of x is equal to 1 by x. Then you have to prove that it is 1 by 1 or onto. And one more part is there, that part we will see later on. First of all, we are going to prove that this is bijective or not. For that, the first case which we have to prove, that is, it is onto or not, one or not, one or not. It is one or not. According to the explanation there at your theoretical classes, third session, if you want to prove that the function is 1, we have to take 2 points, x1 and x2, that belong to R star. We are considering 2 points x1 and x2 that belong to R star. Now, if you want to prove that this is 1, we are considering that, we are assuming that yes, of course it is 1, means it's f of x1 equal to f of x2. We are considering that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then if you can prove that x1 is equal to s2, then of course it is 1 function. If the target, if the image is equal, then of course the pre-image also must be equal. Then only we can say it is 1. If pre-image are different and image is same, then it is many one. Pre-image is x1 and the x2, and this f of x1 and f of x2 are equal. That means f of x1 or x2, then it is a many one function. So what we have to say, if f of x1 are equal to f of x2, that means x1 also must be equal to x2 to prove that it is 1. So we are considering that f of x1 is equal to x2, and now what we have to, f of x1 is what? F of x is equal to 1 by x. So f of x1 is equal to 1 by x1. F of x2 is equal to 1 by x2. Do the cross multiplication. So x2 is equal to x1. We proved x2 equal to x1. Hence, what we have to say? Density is 1, 1. We proved already it is 1, 1 because x1 is equal to x2. Now the next case is we have to prove that it is onto or not. We have to prove that it is onto or not. If it is already 1, 1. If it is onto, then we can say that this function is bijective. So it is R star to R star. For that purpose, what I am doing, I am preparing two Venn diagram over here. Here negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. 0 is excluding, that is why 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Here also negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Let us consider this as the set X, this as the set Y. And this x is equal to r star, and this is y is equal to also is equal to r star. Now the function between this one is f of x is equal to 1 by x. F of x is equal to 1 by x. That means y is equal to 1 by x. Y is equal to 1 by x. That is why what we can say, x is equal to 1 by y. X is equal to 1 by y. So if I will keep the value my negative 3 over here, 1 by negative 3, x is equal to 1 by negative 3. If I will take y of negative 2, then 1 by negative 2, x is equal to 1 by negative 2. If I will take y of negative 1, 1 by negative 1, that is equal to negative 1, you will get over here. Means for each value of this y, we will get a pre-image over here in this x. That is why what we can say, it is purely onto. Each and every value will provide a pre-image here in the set x. That is why it is onto. So what we can say, for all y belongs to y, for all y belongs to y, there is a pre-image. Pre-image x belongs to R star. For all y belongs to y, or for all y belongs to y, there is a pre-image. There is a pre-image x belongs to R star. Therefore, such that f of x is equal to 1 by. With this definition, there must be a pre-image for each and every y. With this definition, if it function is something else, I cannot say anything. Function is 1 by x, f of x is equal to 1 by x. According to this definition, for all y, there must be a pre-image over here. So this is 1, 1. Therefore, this is onto also. Now the function is bijective. Are you clear, everybody? Now we will see the second part over here. Second part is this one. If the result is true, now the result is true. If the result is true, if the domain R is replaced by natural number with codomain being the same R star. Codomain will be the same, and if I will replace this domain with natural number, what will be the result? May I rub it? Yes, of course. So I can change this domain into natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this only natural number. If I will, according to the same definition, if it is natural number, it is onto or not, that we have to check. See, negative 3, y is equal to 1 by x, x is equal to 1 by y. If I will take negative 3 as y, 1 by negative 3, 1 by negative 3 is not here. 1 by negative 3 is a real number. It is not a natural number. That is why it is not onto. Therefore, what we have to write? Y below for all y belongs to R star. For all there is for all y belongs to R star. There isn't any image, pre-image for -3, x equal to -3. There isn't any pre-image for x is equal to -3. There isn't any pre-image for x is equal to -2. There isn't any pre-image if x is equal to 2. 2 means what? 1/2 it should be. Is there any 1/2 over this? That is not a natural number. Therefore, such that f of x is equal to 1/x. Therefore, it is not onto. So, second part is also over now. If you will replace it with natural number, it is not onto. If it is a real number excluding 0, then of course it is a bijective 1 onto function. It is 1 function. If the natural number is over here, then of course it is a 1 function. If x is equal to 1, 1. This way, x is equal to 2, 1/2. 1/2 is all the part of this y, because this is real number. And if x is equal to 3, 1/3 must be here. So it is a 1 function. But it is not onto. Are you clear, everybody? Then we will go ahead with the next question. So the next question is this: check the injectivity and surjectivity. That means bijectivity of the following functions. First function, f n tends to n. Function natural number tends to natural number. Then function defines f of x is equal to x square. Function defines f of x is equal to x square. This much only you have to say. This is natural number. This is natural number to natural number function. It is bijective or not. First we have to check this is 1, 1. So for taking it as for proving it as 1 function, we have to take x1 and x2 belong to natural number x1 and x2. Therefore, we are going to find out f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We are assuming. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then what we have to do? F of x1, that is x1 square, and f of x2, that is x2 square. Then f of x1 square is equal to x2 square. Now x1 square is equal to what? Square root you can take. So plus or minus x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, plus or minus x1 and plus or minus x2. So now what we can say? X1 may be plus x1 may be equal to minus x2, and minus x1 may be is equal to plus x2. So it is not necessary x1 should be equal to x2. It may be equal, it may not be equal. Here in the condition is this: what? X1 is equal to x2. One case. Second, x1 is equal to negative x2. Second case, negative x1 is equal to positive x2. Third case, like that, different cases are coming over here. So it is not compulsory this x1 is equal to x2. So can you say that it is 1, 1? No, we cannot say that it is 1, 1, but it is 1, 1. Why it is 1, 1? In the case of natural number to natural number. Natural number means positive number only. There isn't any case of negative number over here. There isn't any case of negative number over here. So x1 is equal to x2. So it is what? 1, 1. Only in the case of natural number, this is a 1, 1 function. Clear? If you will take the square root of x2, you will get the positive x1 only, because we are considering natural number. If you will consider as the integer, then of course we have to consider the other cases also. So at the case of integers, this is not 1, 1. But at the case of natural number, it is 1, 1. Clear? Now onto. We have to check it is onto or not. How we have to check it is onto or not? We have to consider two functions, natural number. Onto we are going to check. This is x and this is y. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Clear? Now, if I, with respect to the function is what? F of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. If I will take 1 as x, then 1 square, 1 square you will get. 1 is 1 square, of course, sure. Then 2 if I will take, then f of x is equal to 2. Then 2 square, that is equal to 4. And likewise, you will get a lot many cases over here. Clear? So, for 2, if you will take 2 as a pre-image, for 2, if you will take a pre-image over here, root 2 will be the pre-image of 2. No? F of x is equal to x square. That means y is equal to x square. So x is equal to what? X is equal to a square root of y. Square root of y. So, so for 2, if I will take y as 2, then square root of 2 is not a member over here in this x. That is why what we have to say, this is not onto. For all y as a member of y, for all y as a small letter y as a member of y, there isn't any, there isn't any pre-image x is equal to pre-image x is equal to y as a member. There isn't any pre-image x is equal to root y. That is x is equal to 2. Y is equal to, for x, y is equal to, there isn't any pre-image for x. If y is equal to 2, pre-image for y is equal to 2. For y is equal to, there isn't any pre-image for x if y is equal to 2. Are you clear? Similarly, you have to prove the next case also. What is that? This n is z to z. That integer to integer function. Its function defined the same way. F of x is equal to x square. So, if you want to prove that it is 1, 1, it is 1, 1. What we have to do? X1, X2 you have to take and consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. X1 square is equal to x1 square. That is why its square root is plus or minus x1 and plus or minus x2. So many cases will come. X1 is equal to x2, minus x1 is equal to x2, and plus x1 is equal to minus x2. The such type all cases will come. So it is not necessary every time the x1 is equal to x2. That is why it is not 1, 1. It is not 1, 1. Similarly, onto if you want to prove, here minus 1 also you have to consider. Here, if I will make the square of minus 1, then of course you will get 1 over here. Clear? A 1 over here, and for 1 also 1 over here. By picture also you can clear, you can clear that this is not 1, 1, because minus 1 and positive 1 both are having the same image. So that should not be possible in the case of 1, 1. That is why it is not 1, 1. Similar, and next here negative 1 and positive 1, we are getting same image. Here also integer negative 1. For this negative 1, there isn't any pre-image over here. So what we will write? For all y belongs to y, set to y, there isn't any pre-image for particular y if y is equal to minus 2 or y is equal to minus 1. Always the positive will be the positive integer will be the images for the domain. That is why it is not a onto function. Are you clear? Likewise, real number case is given, natural number case is given. Again, real number case with the x cube instead of x square. X cube is written over here. The same way you can complete it. So we will go ahead with another question. Now with another question, that is third one, prove that the greatest integer function f R to R, real number to real number, given by a definition, f of x is equal to x square bracket x, 11th standard you studied, it is a greatest integer function. What is greatest integer function? That is also given there in your textbook. What is the greatest integer function? You have to prove that this greatest integer function is neither 1, 1 nor onto. It is neither 1, 1 nor onto. You have to prove. Clear? So, we are going to prove that it is neither 1, 1 nor onto. That means it is not purely bijective. Clear? So, to prove that, first of all, we have to study what is greatest integer function. Greatest integer function means, let us consider the value of x is equal to 2.6. So, greatest integer function in the case of real number, 2.6 is x. If you will write this is greatest integer function, what will be its result? See, 2.6 is nearest integers are 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, etc. Am I right? This nearest integers are like this only, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 2. Which one is the greatest number in this nearest integers? That is this 2. So, the greatest integer function x is equal to 2 always. Are you clear? Greatest integer function? Greatest integer function is a function which declares the nearest integer. Nearest integer is not real number. Nearest integer of the number which is given there at the square bracket. Square bracket x. If x is equal to 2.6, what value you will get? You will get 2. If it is 5.6, what value you will get? 5. If the value is 5.0, then also 5. 5.0, its nearest integer is 5 only. Na? Integer, this itself is an integer. 5.0 is 5 only. So, it is 5. So, which one is the nearest one? Nearest integer of that real number, that will be the greatest integer. If you want to prove that it is not 1, 1, 1, 1, what do you have to do? First of all, we have to take x1 and x2 are the members of the real number. Let us consider two members of the real number, that is x1 and x2. x1 x2 belong R. Then next, what we have to say, we are going to declare that, we have to going to assume that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So, what we have to say, greatest integer x1 equal to greatest integer x2. Greatest integer x1 is equal to greatest integer x2 means x1 equal to x2. That is not correct. Always it cannot be, we cannot write x1 is equal to x2. It is x1, maybe x1 equal to x2, it may not be x1 is equal to x2. For example, if I will take 5.6 over here, if I will take 5.3 over here, what I will get over here as the f of x1 and f of x2? f of x1 and f of x2 is equal to 5. This f of x1 is equal to 5. f of x2 is equal to what? That is also 5. In this case, f of x1 and f of x2 are equal, but x1 and x2 are not equal. x1 and x2 are not equal. Are you clear? And if I will take 5.0 and 5.5 and 5, at that time also f of x1 and f of x2 are 5 and 5 with the definition of this greatest integer function. That case it is alright. But if there is any other decimals over here, if 5.3 and 5.3 if you will consider, then of course it is alright. But if 5.4 and 5.43, then there f of x1 and f of x2 may be equal, but x1 and x2 are not equal. So, if you will make a Venn diagram, 5.3, 5.4, 5.6, 5.5, always the answer will be 5. So, it is many one, it is not 1, 1. Is it 1, 1? 1, 1 means each and every image of the domain must have an independent particular image over there at codomain. particular image for 5.6, another image for 5.4, another image for 5.5. There should not be any common image. That is why it is not 1, 1. It is not 1, 1. Now what we are going to prove? We are going to prove onto. This is onto or not. Let us do one Venn diagram over here, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. To get the answer 1.5 also you can mention over here because it is a real number. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4 like this. This is at x and this is at y. Function is equal to what? X. Function is equal to x. See, whatever may be the rational number over here, you will get an image over here. That is for one codomain, one domain. You are one or more domain. We will get the same codomain. That is why it is not 1, 1. And the reverse order also you have to think to prove that it is onto. Just consider this 1.5 over here. Do you have any pre-image over here for 1.5? Greatest integer you are going to get with this definition. This 1.5 is not a greatest integer. So what we have for all y belongs to y. There isn't any pre-image. For y is equal to 1.5. There is any pre-image x for y is equal to 1.5. If y is 1.5, it doesn't have any pre-image over here. Greatest integer will be the answer. Answer will be always the value will be an integer. 1.5 is not an integer. So for 1.5, 2.5, 3.7, like that a lot many integers are coming. These integers doesn't have any member over here in the domain. That is why such that f of x is equal to greatest integer x. That is what we can say. It is not onto. Are you clear? So we will go ahead with another question. A real number to real number, then its function defines f of x is equal to modulus x. F of x is equal to modulus x. You have to prove that it is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Again, we have to prove that it is neither 1, 1 or nor onto, or it is not a bijective. Then how will you prove that it is neither 1, 1 nor onto? Modulus function, its definition also given over here. Modulus function definition means what? Negative number is not possible. Clear? So we are going to make this modulus function f of x is equal to x greater than or equal to 0. Then the value is x positive, and x less than 0, the value x is equal to negative. This is the modulus function. Its definition, modulus function's definition is this one. If x greater than or equal to 0, then it is positive x. If x less than or equal to less than 0, then it is negative x. So first of all, we are going to prove that it is not 1, 1. It is not 1, 1. It is 1, 1 or not. We are taking x1 and x2 as the member of real number. X1 and x2 belong R. So we are considering that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. The same steps we are following. So according to this one, what? Modulus of x1 is equal to modulus of x2. Modulus of x2. Modulus of x1 is equal to modulus of x2. Here also two conditions are possible. And the first condition is what? Three cases must be there here. X1 and x2 both are positive. X1 and x2 both are positive. If both are positive, one is positive, another one is also positive. What will be the answer? X1 is equal to X2. Both are negative. Then also what will be the answer? X1 is equal to X2, minus X1 and minus X2. Minus X1 and means two cases are there. Two cases are there. One is greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0. That means both are positive, then of course it is x1 is equal to, that we have to write in this way also. X greater than or equal to 0. Then what? X greater than or equal to 0 means what? X1 is equal to X2. X less than or equal to 0. X1 and X2. Both are greater than or equal to 0, this one. Then X1 and X2, both are less than or equal to 0. Then there also you have to consider the negative X1 and negative X1. Negative and negative cancel. There also you will get the equal. Then third case, X1 is greater than or equal to 0. X2 is less than X1 less than X2 is less than 0. That is the third case. Are you clear? First case, we are taking two numbers over here. Both can be greater than 0. At that time, you will prove that x1 is x2, x1 is x2. That is why we can say that 1, 1. But second case, if you will say both are less than 0, at that case also negative x1 and negative x2 you will get according to this definition. There also negative and negative cancel, x1 is equal to x2. There also we can say that it is 1, 1. But another case is x1 is greater than or equal to 0 and x2 is less than 0. Third case, this case is also possible, no? The third case x1. So at that time what will happen? What will happen? This f of x1 is x1 greater than or equal to f of x1 is positive x and f of x2 is what? Less than 0. So that is equal to negative x1 x2. Positive x1 is not equal to negative x2. Positive x1 is not equal to negative x2. That is why it is not 1, 1 according to the third case. Are you clear? Three cases can be possible. All the cases should be analyzed, and if there is any dissatisfaction over here, then according to that you have to say that it is 1, 1 or not 1, 1. Now the third case, it is no, x1 is not equal to x2. X1 is equal to minus x2. That is why it is not 1, 1. Now we are going to consider prove that it is onto function. Here also negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. F of x is equal to modulus of x. So negative 3, answer will be 3, negative 2, answer will be 2, negative 1, answer will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. See, for negative 3, negative 2, any negative number if you will consider, there isn't any pre-image over here at the domain. So for all y belongs to R, there isn't any x that is pre-image for y is equal to negative 3 or negative 2, such that f of x is equal to modulus of x. Therefore, it is not onto. Are you clear? For each and every negative number, there isn't any pre-image over there at the domain. That is why it is not an onto function. It is not a 1, 1 also. So, we will go ahead with the next question. Now, the next question show that the signum function f of r tends to r, then signum function f of x is equal to 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, negative 1 if x less than 0. By seeing this question, it is too difficult, but it is too simple, students. See, you have to understand what is signum function that we studied there at 11th standard. You know, one graph I can show you. If x is equal to 0, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. If x is equal to 0, then the value of y is equal to 0 only, that is origin. If x is equal to greater than 1, If x is equal to greater than 1 means this way, in this greater than function, y is equal to 1 only means y is equal to 1. This is excluding, so I can keep one dot over here. If x is equal to less than 1, then y is equal to what? This negative 1. This negative 1 will be the answer. This is 0, this is negative 1, this is negative 2, this is negative 1, this is negative 2. In this way it will go. So this is the graph of that signum function. Here if you will go for the what we have to say, checking of 1 1 and 1 2, it is very simple. By saying this also you have to say, see, for different x there is particular only one of the image. For different x, negative 1 of the image. More than one domain is having the same image. That is why it is not 1 1. Signum function, by seeing the graph itself you can say more than one image. X value, that is lot many values you can see here. Whatever may be the value of x, there the image is 1 only. Here left side, whatever may be the negative value of x, negative real number, then the image should be 1 only. That is why it is not 1 1. 1 2 also. See the graph and you can say negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here negative 3, negative 2, 1, negative 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. 0 means 0, 0 means 0, 0 means, and x is negative 1. The answer will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, negative 3, negative 1, negative 4, negative 1, like this. If x is positive, then 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, there will not be any change. So this is not 1 1, and this is not on 2 also. For what we have to say, for all y, there isn't any pre-image. For y is equal to negative 3. For y is equal to negative 3, there isn't any pre-image for negative 3, negative 2, 2, 3 and all. That is why it is not on 2 also. So by this you can complete the question of signum function. Now question number 6, a is equal to 1, 2, 3, b is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 and f is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Then the function AB is 1 1 or not. Just you can write this is equal to 1 2 3 and this is equal to 4 5 6 7 and the function is 1 4 and 2 5 and 3 6 and 3 6. The function is, so that it is 1. See, each and every member of this domain is having an image. That is why it is 1 1. You can easily write for each and every member of the domain there is an image over there at y. That is why it is 1 1. Now the next question you can see here in the following cases, whether the function is 1 1 on 2 or bijective or not. Bijective or not. RR, then R, real number to real number, f is real number to the function defined, f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x, f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. That is why y is equal to 3 minus 4x. If x is equal to, so you can do two sets over here. This is x and this is y. If x is equal to 1, real number to real number, if x is equal to 1, then you will get a y over here. Then y, if x is equal to 2, you will get a y over here. So whenever you will give a value over here, you will get a value over there at y. So whenever you will, that is why what we can say, this is 1 1. This is 1 1. If for each and every number or real number you can substitute over here, you will get the value, corresponding value of y over here. That is why it is a 1 1. And in the opposite case also, y minus 3 is equal to, so 4x is equal to 3 minus y. Just exchange this one. X is equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. Here also, whenever you will give a value of y over here, corresponding x you will get. So that is why what we can say, this is onto also. So this function is bijective. For each and every image, you will get a pre-image by the substitution. For each and every pre-image, you will get an image also. That is why this is 1, 1, 1, 2. F of x is equal to 1 plus x square. F of x is equal to 1 plus x square. That means y is equal to 1 plus x square. You have to prove that this is 1, 1 onto or not. This is 1, 1 onto or. Just take f of x, y, x1 and x2 over here, and f of x1 equal to f of x2 you are going to assume. So what you can do, f of x1 that is equal to 1 minus x1 square equal to 1 plus x1 square, 1 plus x2 square, then 1 and 1 cancel. So this is plus or minus x1 equal to plus or minus x2, plus or minus x2. It is real number, positive number and real number will come. So some maybe x1 or x2 are equal, maybe plus x1 and minus x2 are equal, maybe plus x2 and minus x2 are equal, maybe minus x1 and plus 2 x1 are equal. So x1 not equal to x2 in some cases. That is why it is not 1, 1, not 1, 1. Are you clear? It is not 1, 1. So and onto also you can consider like this, negative 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3 like this. So what you can consider, here it is 1 plus x square, y is equal to x, this is y, x function is equal to 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. Clear? So if I will go this one in the opposite way, y is equal to 1 plus x square is equal to y minus 1, x is equal to square root of 1 y minus 1, plus or minus square root of n plus 1. So here for a particular x, you are getting plus and or minus. So here always x square, that means always it go with the positive case also. Positive case. But negative number, for this negative number we are not going to get any pre-image because of this x square and this definition. So what we can say that for all y there isn't any pre-image belongs to a real number, there isn't any pre-image. For example, y is equal to negative 3, there isn't any x, there x will not belongs to real number. Belongs to the real number. So what we have to say, you have to write it is not onto. It is not onto. With the definition, f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. Because of the square root only. This is neither 1, 1 nor onto. First case is 1, 1, onto. Next case, another function. Function a cross b tends to b cross a. A cross b tends to b cross a. Then such that function defines AB, BA. Function defines AB, BA. So how is bijective function? You have to prove that it is bijective function. For that, what we have to say, let A is equal to 1, 2, let B is equal to AB. Two sets you can consider. A cross A, that is 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Then B cross A. A cross B is this, 1B cross A. What is this? A1, A2, B1, B2. In this way, you will get the B cross A. Let us consider these are the two diagrams like this. Now you are going to do the function. A cross B tends to B cross A. What is that function? According to this definition, this one, what? AB, BA, AB, A1, 1A. See, this link is there. Then A2, 2A, this link. Then B1, 1B is here. Then B2, 2b is here. Or everywhere you will get the image. There isn't any image blank over here. There isn't any pre-image also blank over here. All the pre-image are occupied and all the images are also occupied. That is why this is 1 1 and 1 2. Therefore, it is bijective. Are you clear? Very simple. Just A cross B, B cross A and match the matter. These are matching, these and these are matching and these are matching. So there isn't any extra pre-image or there isn't any extra image. So we can say that it is 1 1 1 2. There isn't any codomain, sharing codomain. There isn't any codomain which is sharing by the domain like many one. That is why it is bijective. We will go ahead the next question. So students, next question we can do, that is this one. There is a function, that is a function f, that function is a natural number to natural number function, a function of natural number to natural number function. And here that its definition is f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, then n by 2 if n is even. You have to prove that this function is, whether the function is bijective or not. So if you want to prove bijective, first of all we have to prove 1 1 or not. For that we are taking x1, x2 as the members of the natural number. Then f of x1 should be equal to f of x2. We are going to take this one and we are substituting f of x1. This one is equal to what? X1 plus 1 by 2 and here it is x1 plus 1 by 2. First case number 1, if both x1 and x2 are odd, both x1 and x2 are odd, this way 2 and 2 cut, 1 1 1 cut, so x1 is equal to x2, so it is first case verified. Second case, if both are even, then x1 by 2 equal to x2 by 2, 2 cuts, so x1 equal to x2, second case is also verified. Then third case, if x1 is odd, then x1 plus 1 by 2, then x2 is even, then x2 by 2. That is also possible, no? Both are odd, this one, both are even. One x1 is odd and x2 is even. This is also possible. So here 2 cuts. So x1 plus 1 is equal to x2. Therefore x1 is not equal to x2. x2 is equal to x1 plus 1. That is why what we have to say, it is not 1 1. It is not 1 1. It is not 1 1. Here we proved one. This is the question over here. Say it is bijective, check whether it is bijective or not. It is not bijective because it is not 1 1. See, because of this it is not 1 1. We proved already it is not 1 1. Still we can study how it is not onto or not. That also we can study. For that purpose we have to do onto case. That what is that onto case? Venn diagrams over here, 1 2 3 4 0 negative 1 negative 1 2 3 4, like this the cases will come. Then 0 also will come. Sorry, this is natural number versus natural number, so 1 2 3 4. This is also 1 2 3 4. Now n is odd. If n is odd, n plus 1, n is odd, let us consider n, and n, if you will take the odd number is equal to, even number is equal to what? 2n, then odd number is equal to what? 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1. So if f of 2n minus 1, f of 2n minus 1 is equal to what? F of 2n minus 1 is equal to what? 2n plus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2n plus 2 by 2. 2 cut. That answer is equal to what? Answer is equal to what? N minus 1. Here it is 2n minus 1 and this cancel. 2n, the 2n by n, that is equal to, answer is equal to 2. The next one is n. 2n. This is odd number and then next is even number. F of 2n. F of 2n is equal to what? 2n by 2. 2n by 2. N by 2. That is 2n by 2. Then 2 cut, the answer is n. So, if the odd number or even number, whatever may be, if it is odd or even number, then answer will be n. Answer will be n. So, what we have to consider over here, if n is equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, then 2n minus 1, 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 that is equal to 1. Then if n is equal to 1, 2 into 1, then again 2. Like this, if n is equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Then 2 into 2n minus 2n upon 2, that is equal to 2n. If n is equal to 2, if n is equal to 2, that is equal to 2n, that is equal to 4. So likewise, all the number, again 3, 5, 3, 6. Then like that, all the numbers will get its own pre-image over here at the domain. That is for all y belongs to y, there is an image at x belongs to x. Therefore, this is onto. This is onto. 1 it is not. 1 it is yes, but it is not bijective. Are you clear? So we will go ahead with the next question. Next question, that is A is equal to r minus 3, B is equal to r minus 1. Justify f of A tends to B, where the function defines f of x is equal to x minus 2. F of x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. X minus 2 divided by x minus 3. F is 1, 1 and on 2. You have to prove that this is 1, 1 and on 2. This is f of x 1, 1 and on 2. So here in this question, what we have to do, you have to prove that it is 1, 1 or not. x1 and x2 you are taking. So if I will take x1 and x2, f of x1 and f of x2 should be equal. We are assuming that fn belongs to R. So R minus 3, this 3 will not be there in that set, R excluding 3. F of x1 and f of x2. So what we have to write? F of x1, that is equal to x1 minus 2 upon x minus 3. x1 minus 3 equal to x2 minus 2 upon x2 minus 3. So in this way we are going to write. What we are going to get now? Just you have to do the x2, x minus 2 and x plus 2. X minus 2 and x minus 3. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do the cross multiplication. x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. So x1, x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6 is equal to x1, x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 6 cancel, x1 cancel, and here it is what? minus 3x1 is equal to 3x2 minus 3x2. Here it is 2x1 and here it is plus 3x2 2x2 plus 2x2. Here the answer is minus x1. Here the answer is minus x2. Minus and minus cut. X2 equal to x1. You are getting x2 equal to x1. That is why this function is on 1 1. This is 1 1. Are you clear? x1 x2 we taken and we consider f1 f of x1 is equal to f of x2, substituted, cross multiplied, exchanged, and finally we are getting x2 is equal to x1. That is why it is 1 1. Now what we are going to do? We are going to prove that it is on 2. To prove that it is on 2, what we have to do? 2 Venn diagrams you can consider. This is natural number 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 we cannot, so then 4. Here it is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 is over, 2, 3, 4 like this. Here it is x, here it is y. The function is f of x is equal to x2 minus x1, that is y is equal to x2 minus 2, x3, x minus 3. Now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply. Y is equal to x minus 3 equal to x minus 2. Yx minus y3 is equal to x minus 2. X minus 2. Yx minus y3y. 3y is equal to minus 2. X you can take here. Yx y minus x is equal to 3y minus 2. 3y minus 2. X you can take common. Y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 2. X is equal to 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1. See, y minus 1, if it is minus 1, y, if it is plus 1y, then this will become 0. That will be a not defined value. That is why 1 excluded over here. And here 3 excluded. This case, if it is 3 over here, 3 minus 3, at that time this y will be a not defined factor. That is why minus 3 came over here. Now, for all y is a member of y, there is an x, there is a preimage, there is an x, there is an x which belongs to R, so that such that y f of x is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Therefore it is on 2. Therefore it is on 2. Now with this we are going to wind up the exercise. Next 2 more questions are there. What is very simple, one multiple choose the correct answer, multiple choice question. Just you can find out that answer. That will be a homework for you. Then now the next class we will study the next chapter, next topic, that is composition of functions and invertible functions.